In this how-to video, we're going to review shell and split. I have a solid body here of a model that I'm creating of a utility knife. I need to hollow that out and then cut it into two. So I'm going to shell and then split. One little tip is to go to Inspect, Section Analysis, then go into the existing origins. I'm going to take one of the planes. I'm going to just hover over them, and the plane I want is the YZ plane, and then click on OK. That allows me to see inside that body through that plane, and I can toggle that on and off. Just close that down. So the next thing I want to do is go to Modify and Shell. Now if I want open faces, I would select them, but in this particular case I just want to select the body. So selecting the body of that, generally easier if you just go into the browser and select the body right there. So having selected the body, key in the thickness of the shell, and that's going to be 1 millimeter. Well, did it actually shell? Well, let's find out. Let's go to Visual Style and turn on Shaded with Hidden Edges, and we can see a lot of hidden edges in there now. And of course, the analysis that I did earlier on really shows that I've got that shell component. So what was a solid body just a few seconds ago has now been shelled out to a 1 millimeter thickness. Turn off the section analysis. And the next thing what I want to do is I want to split this particular body. The reason why I want to do that is if we look at the finished product, one side is actually different than the other. So on one side it's pretty much what I have, but on this side closest to us, there's an opening for that little slider for the utility knife. Okay, back to the one that I'm working on. Let's go to Modify. I want split body. There's also a split face there, so make sure you've got the split body. Select the body, and then the split tool. Now in this case I can go back to those origin folder and get the YZ. Click on OK. Turn on my section analysis. We can kind of see that it's split, but I want to prove that, so click on it, right click on there and move, and then drag on that, and we can clearly see now that we have the split body. So we've used shell and we've used split on this particular project. Now in my browser I don't need that move, so I'm just going to go in and delete that.